How to display a splash screen before the Flutter app launches on Android and iOS. In your pubspec YAML file, go to the dev dependencies and under it you add the Flutter native splash package. And secondly, you define the image that should be displayed as your splash screen. Importantly, the splash screen that you add within your assets folder needs to be a PNG image. Also set the background color of your splash screen. With the Google Color Picker, you can also choose a different color. Next, make sure that you save this pubspec YAML file. And then you need to run these 3 commands in your terminal to generate the splash screen for Android and iOS. After some time, it has generated the splash screens for Android, iOS and web. And now that the splash screens are generated, you can run your Flutter app again. And now when the app starts for the first time, then you see our splash screen. Alternatively, to a background color for your splash screen, you can also define a background image that I define within the assets folder. And now after running these 3 commands again and starting your Flutter app, you should see this new background image as the splash screen. Also, in case you load some heavy resources before running the Flutter app, make sure to move this code into the remove after method. To use this, move the native splash package from the dev dependencies to the dependencies. With this, the splash screen stays visible until the whole initialization has completed.